Hello everyone. I just got the new MacBook Neo. It's the citrus color I have here, and as you can see, got it for $599 coming from a MacBook Pro M5. I don't know what to expect from it. And here I have Cinebench and Geekbench loaded up here to test out the MacBook's performance. And yeah, I will show the results right on the screen now. I was honestly blown away. Dude, the single core performance is so good. And here, as you can see, it might just be better than the $600 i9 14th gen processor. That like so good, dude. And the multi-core results may look a bit shy and fall short. It is still better than the i5 10th gen, which gets around 4 to 5,000 on multi-core. And let me remind you, it is an iPhone chip, like literally a mobile chip. Come on, you can't go wrong with that. And many people, including me, is concerned about the RAM. I ain't gonna sugarcoat, it is still bad if you ask me, but for $500 it is fairly decent. And yeah, not to mention, 8 gigabytes of MacBook RAM goes way further than a Windows laptop would just because macOS is so well optimized. Oh yeah, and the battery is great. It went like 5 hours with me editing this video in it, plus running the benchmarks, and also downloading like a lot of stuff in the background. Nothing to complain here. So overall, yeah, the MacBook Neo is a great choice for students who want to do day-to-day tasks and maybe some decent video editing, but it is not a choice. If you plan to run AI models or want a game, you should pick up a Windows laptop. I am curious, are you picking up a MacBook Neo? If so, which color are you picking? Let me know in the comments.